All right, guys. Welcome to Vitaly Dubin in Crypto, and today we have an historical day happening. Donald Trump became the 47th president of the United States. The entire crypto is absolutely celebrating this win because he is a pro-crypto president, and he promised a lot of things. We're gonna go over some of them today in this video, and what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin to new all-time highs. So let's that sink in. We have altcoins are booming and skyrocketing double digits today, and we're seeing Bitcoin went to as high as $75,000 when it became apparent that Donald Trump actually became the president of the United States. Donald Trump wins presidential race, and this is a very, very good thing for the crypto space. Here's why. Donald Trump 2024 election Bitcoin promises that he made back on a Bitcoin conference in June. Fire Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler of the SEC has been against crypto and had put a lot of the obstacles for cryptos. He's gonna fire it day one. Let's see if he's gonna be able to deliver on the promises. National Bitcoin stockpile, which means United States of America will start to buying Bitcoin like crazy as part of its strategic reserve, making the United States the crypto capital of the world, making America to be the country that mines the most Bitcoin. Regulatory changes, crypto advisory council, right to self-custody. Check it out. How this is good for crypto. Bitcoin made in USA. Basically, he said back in June, we want all the remaining Bitcoin to be made in the United States of America to be energy dominant. Crypto can solve the United States $35 trillion national debt that is right now. He said it several times. Crypto has got a great future. Maybe we'll pay off the $35 trillion in crypto. The United States will create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So buying it like crazy. Trump's plan is for the United States to hold 100% of the Bitcoin currently in its possession. Many of those assets stem from seizures by law enforcement. So they're going to be holding onto this possession. They're going to be buying more. And he also said he's gonna fire Gary Gensler, which was against crypto, and stop developing of the U.S. central bank digital currency, which stands against for freedom, right? So he's basically for the freedom. There will not be a CBDC while I'm president of the United States. Let's listen into the again of what he has promise to the people.
I will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody to the nation's 50 million crypto holders. I say this with your vote. I will keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from your Bitcoin. And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
So that's why it is very exciting. Elon Musk, as helping Donald Trump, is eyeing a position in the United States. You can see the polling market, pretty much 100% chance of Donald Trump winning because he won. He won the presidential election, declaring victory and becoming the 47th president of the United States. So what we can now think about Bitcoin, what is going to happen? You can see the elections, the USA elections has been historic every single time after the election in November. Bitcoin and crypto prices skyrocketed, right? 2012 to 2013 bull market, 2016 2017 crazy bull market, 2020 2021 bull market. Now 2024 and 2025 are gonna be an amazing years for Bitcoin and crypto. So if you're not holder yet, this is the time to take your position. Look at this flag. right? That we have been working on and creating. After this initial run up from 27,000 to 73,000, we have been consolidating and accumulating for 6 months, from 73,000 all the way in this range of 50, 55, 60,000, back to 70, back to 60, back to 70. Now we've broken it out and retested like a classical breakout, right? So we broke out of this out of this formation, and we retested it. So we went to 73,000, went down to 67, and now to 75, creating a new all-time high. Check it out right here, celebrating the new all-time high. I don't know where it is, but it looks pretty cool. So now, what does it say to you about Bitcoin, where we are right now? Well, we need to take a look at a couple of things. The Bitcoin rainbow price chart indicator suggests that we are in the green zone for Bitcoin. We are not close to the yellow or to the orange zone, so we have a lot of ways to go to the upside. The Pi cycle top indicator is showing when we are peaking, and we are very, very far away from peaking on Bitcoin. You can see when the green and the orange, they come together and they meet, that is the time where Bitcoin tops up every single cycle, and we are not there yet. We are not close to being there yet, right? The 200-week moving average heat map is showing up the blue dots. It's not the red dots, it's not the orange or the red dots. So we have a lot of way to go in this market cycle, okay? So now look at a Bitcoin dominance. It reached a peak of 60.6% right now. Look at this, 60.6%. Like, it's been on a rampage, like months after months after months. The Bitcoin dominance is hitting higher and higher levels, but you can see over here what happened in 2017. The Bitcoin dominance went up and up and up and up, and then it started to go down. And here in January 2021, this is where the major altcoin season started, and the altcoins have outperformed majorly Bitcoin, right? And this is what I'm anticipating once again. Bitcoin is getting the dominance up, and looking at the momentum is right now at 100. The momentum is in 100. So we are very close, very close. We are maybe a month or two away from the beginning of an altcoin season, when the Bitcoin dominance will start to go down, and this is where the altcoin season is going to start. That's why we're seeing such coins as Ethereum is way underperforming Bitcoin right now, and it's not reaching even the highest point of $4,700 when it was in November 2021, okay? And we're seeing Solana is also not still reaching the previous all-time high. But it's only a matter of time as Bitcoin is gonna go slowly upwards, steadying upwards. The rest of the altcoins is going to catch up. So looking at this flag and where it can take the Bitcoin price, if you complete this flag, it is going to be at around $112,000 for the price of Bitcoin. So this is just the beginning of the major bull run. You can see the closure of the months. If the months is going to close, this green candle above the ever monthly close ever before in the history of Bitcoin, that is a very bullish sign, and that means one thing: we are heading into a crazy bull market, and this is the time to take advantage. You can see the meme coin super cycle is here. Bread is outperforming Matic, which was the biggest coin of 2021 bull run, and now is higher than Matic. The meme coins is on the run, and you can see right here in the memes space, what we're seeing over here, the amount of trading volume is pretty crazy. Today is 19 billion dollars trading volume. It is insane. Yeah, 19 billion dollar trading volumes today. 19 billion. How much people are trading today meme coins? This is insane how much they're trading. Yeah, so pretty good day for the memes. Pepe up 12%, Dogwish Hat up 13%, Bong up 13%, Popcat up 16%, Flocky 10%, Brad 14%, the Goat up 40% today, Nero 25%. The meme coins are reaping today onto the upside. So pretty crazy, and that's what you need to understand right now, that the time to be positioning has been last week. The next best time is right now, because altcoins are way more to go, because if you've been really understanding and following the Bitcoin chart, you will know this was highly anticipated, this was expected, this was pretty much expected for the last 6 months. This consolidation, it was inevitable that we are going to be around this time, about 600 days after the Bitcoin halving, we're going to hit the new all-time high. So there you go. Today it's time to open up champagnes and actually be focused on the crypto space, because the next 12 months are going to be epic and you do not want to miss any of it. So this is it for today's short show. It's been Vitaly being with you. Let's make it a great one, and I'll see you on the next shows.